Hello guys, welcome to another vocabulary session. Today we're going to talk about dishes or dinner plates. Dinner plate. Dinner plate is a type of plate used for main courses. The average dinner plate measures 11 or 12 inches across. This plate is the most used plate during the entire meal, and it usually comes out after the salad. It is a plate resting just above the charger. Many choose to use the same plates for both lunch and dinner. Dessert plate. They are usually used at formal and informal banquets. Dessert plate is usually called the luncheon plate by craftsmen. The function of this plate is quite diverse. You can use it for snacks, appetizers, and desserts. This plate is only about 18 centimeters in diameter, usually often used also at parties, weddings, and others. Bread and butter plate. B&B stands for bread and butter. B&B plate is a plate used to put bread and butter. This plate is also called a quarter plate or side plate because it is usually placed next to the fork. B&B plate is round like a plate in general. The difference is that it has a small size, which is about 15 centimeters in diameter. Soup plate or bowls. Soup plates have a different shape than the other types of dishes because this type of plate is used for containing watery food like soup. The shape follows the main function as a soup container. The top of the plate has an arch like a bowl. However, there are differences between types of soup plates for formal meals and informal meals. For formal diners, the soup plate is usually shorter in height. Salad bowl. This plate is used specifically for serving salads. Salad plate itself has a round shape with two types of different sizes. The first type of larger size of about 22 centimeters and the second type of small size of about 20 centimeters. When faced with various type of plates, you do not have to worry in being confused about the type of plate for salads and ordinary dishes, as the salad plate has a larger size than the type of bread and butter plate. Appetizer plate. This appetizer plate is a type of plate that is available in sizes that are quite diverse. The size starts from 17 centimeters. The characteristics of this plate usually have a curved tip, but without indentation. This plate is almost similar to bread and butter plate. It is just slightly bigger than the B&B plate. An appetizer plate is a dish that can be used to serve an appetizer such as cheeses or fruits. Thank you. If you have any questions, please send an email to lilian.molina@upep.mx.